Soldiers were seen in the area. The commander says he wants to know if they are theirs or those he calls the Turks, meaning the Muslims. No problem, he says. He will take 3 squadron leaders. They begin moving in on a deserted eastern Bosnian village in the area called Rudnik Sase. These are squadrons of Bosnian Serb Special Forces, a part of the unit known as the Panthers. They begin to close a circle around the village. They believe Bosnian army soldiers moving between Srebrenica and Tuzla are holed up in some abandoned houses. Don't put people in a group, comes the order. If there's an explosion, you all go together. A Serb soldier lets loose with a grenade. They are now ready for their final assault. A soldier adds more ammunition to his Kalashnikov. Another moves into position to toss a grenade. They believe their enemy is now in this house. The Bosnian Serb soldiers enter the house, emerging with a flag that was left behind. Several people were captured in this area. Our cameraman was not allowed to take their picture. One day, one village, one incident in this bitter war. Rick Salinger, CNN, Belgrade.